Today I found some red maple here. This is Acer rubrum. And the nice thing about red maple, I mean, this wood is all fresh cut, so it's not going to be ready for this year. But red maple is one of my favorite woods to cut. It's like cutting pine, almost. I mean, not quite, but it's really, your saw buzzes right through it. It dries out fairly quickly. Like, I know this is going to be good and dry and ready to burn next year. I don't think it's got a ton of heat in it, like it doesn't charcoal like your sugar maple wood or your oak wood. Nice clean burning wood, dries quickly. And then I did pick up a few pieces of ash here, and I've been so tempted to just, when I'm driving around town, you know, you'll see branches this diameter that fall off of trees and just like start picking wood up off the side of the road. Because ash, standing dead wood ash, basically if you just leave it for 2 or 3 months in a well-ventilated area, it's going to dry out very quickly. And then today I had the 535i XP. I don't know if I told you guys, I really do like these battery saws, but everything you see cut in the back of the wood was like cut into like 6 to 8 foot lengths. So all the cutting you see here, I did with this saw, and I've still got 3 bars left. I just wanted to show you what my chain looks like here. So I sharpened this chain last night before I came out. And so this is probably about half a battery's worth of dullness or half a tank of gas. And I just wanted to show you, I've been using a 3/16 file to sharpen these teeth. So this is what a 5/32 file looks like. But I have been using a 3/16 file, which is this one right here. Buck and Billy Ray talks about doing that, just for comparison's sake. Today's load of wood is right over here. This is all that red maple I found. And then I got a little bit, maybe just like a half a wheelbarrow full of ash over here. I'll make sure to stack that somewhere covered so it can dry out. And I just wanted to show you, you know, I see a lot of guys talking about, you know, look at the chips and you can tell how sharp the saw is. And, you know, I guess it's somewhere to begin, but You know, when you use a brand new chain on your saw, remember how it cuts, and if it's not cutting like that, your saw is dull. And if you have to actually look at the sawdust to determine if your chainsaw is sharp or dull, it's already too late. Just go ahead and sharpen the saw. The one thing that I'll harp on besides how awesome battery saws are is file often, just, you know, a little touch-up file here and there, and keep that saw razor sharp, because it's, number one, so much more enjoyable, number two, so much more productive. And I really can't tell you at what point you're filing too much, but if I'm using a saw, I want it to be as sharp as, if not sharper, than it was when it was new. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.